My name is Nova, and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We got some very important drops today. We got Travis Scott, Jordan 1s. Oh my god, I hit it! Be going for these hats coming up in about 15 minutes. Bang 5 processing. Checked out 1, 2, 3. Are these gonna go through? 4, 5. We've got like 10,000 websites dropping. I did have a few slides come in already, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that now. So we got 4 bones, 4 onyx. This bone colorway is actually super nice. So we got a bunch more Yeezy slides that came in, and we have 2 big boxes from Nike. So we're gonna see what's in the boxes. It's not that often that I get a lot of shoes in 1 or 2 boxes, so. Whoa, that's a cool box. Wow, this is actually a beautiful sneaker. So these are just brick flips. I got them for very cheap, and I'll also sell them for pretty cheap, but I got quite a lot, so the numbers will add up. So I was trying to track my Travis Scott package. Apparently it's gonna get here on Friday. A few days ago it said it was gonna get here on Wednesday. And then when Wednesday came around, it said it was gonna get here on Thursday. Today is technically Thursday because it's 12 in the morning, but now the tracking says it's gonna come on Friday. So I was thinking, something's not right here. So then I checked the tracking number, and I see this. And it said it is being returned to sender. So when I was looking at this, I was just in pure disbelief. But I'm gonna call UPS. I have a sliver of hope. Let's hope they can do something about it.
Good evening, this is Blue from UPS. We have the tracking number, please.
Sure. 1.
Just a moment, please.
Sure.
Thank you so much. So let me just pull it up here. 1 second, please.
Sure.
So yes, we got your information now, and how can I help you today?
Yeah, apparently this package was returned to sender. I'm wondering if we can undo that somehow.
Sorry, sir, but I will be very straightforward to you. But once the package is already processed to be returned, unfortunately, we can no longer retrieve that. And it shows here that the package is on its way to be returned already to Nike. So I would highly suggest to call Nike instead for any possible arrangement. It will be returned back to them tomorrow.
So only they can really control what happens?
Yes, right now there is really nothing that we can do, so I suggest to call them instead, because once they have the package, once they receive it, there might be a way for them to send it back to you, or to reship the package.
Let's assume they're willing to work with me. Would they be able to reroute the package, essentially?
Possibly, sir, but and also once the package is already returned or delivered back to them, because I'll be honest with you, I could not really guarantee that Nike can still reroute this since it's already on its way to them. But once they receive it, they have a way to ship this back to you.
Okay, thanks.
And anything else that I can assist you?
That's all. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Okay, so UPS can't help me. I have to try Nike tomorrow. I don't know.
Thank you for calling Nike. My name is Chastity. How can I help you?
Hi, so one of my orders from the Nike sneakers app, apparently it was returned to sender, and I was wondering if we can somehow undo that or somehow arrange a ways to like get the package back.
Unfortunately, once an order has been returned back to us, we automatically process a refund. There's no way we can cancel the return, and then there's no way we can resend that order out to you unless you replace the order for it.
Okay, so this is an order. It's like one of these exclusive release sneakers. So are you basically saying there's nothing I can do to retrieve it?
Unfortunately, if it's being returned back to us, there's nothing we can do to get it sent back out to you. We would process a refund automatically once the warehouse receives it.
Okay. What's gonna happen to the item once the warehouse receives it?
Not 100% sure. They don't typically restock items that they get sent back. I know it goes to one of the projects that we have, which is shredding the shoes and turning them into the material for the playground. So that's probably what will happen to it.
Oh, interesting. Got it. So there's actually no way to get my order. Like there's like literally nothing.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Okay. All right. I guess that's that.
I do apologize for that. But if it does end up coming like back in stock, possibly in the future, you can add it to your favorites and it'll let you know if it's back in stock.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
You are welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you tonight?
That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Take care.
We got 22 more Yeezy slides that came in today. Amazing. Including this little guy. Here are the shipments that came in today. We got a few more Yeezy slides and we got some hats. This is the first time that I've actually bought hats to resell, so I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully it becomes another decent source of income. Over the past few days, I've actually been selling quite a number of sneakers on eBay. So here were the previous sales. And here are the sales that I made today. So I'm gonna try and get this shipped out now. A pair of Onyx slides came in the mail. I think I'm missing about 10 more, so still waiting on those. Usually Yeezy supply is quick, but maybe they're taking their time this time around. But anyways, it is nearing the end of the month, so it's time to do a recap of how we did for the month of July. Now these numbers are going to be ballpark estimates just because Scout is currently down, so I can't manually adjust market prices. My plan was to have the market price closer to what the payout is going to be rather than just the actual market price, so that I can really understand how much I'm going to make. But without further ado, let's get into it. So my realized profit is currently $2,906.89. Now my unrealized profit is $5,500. That's around how much it is. So unrealized profit is anything that I haven't sold yet, that I have as inventory and is currently for sale, but that is like the general expected payout / market price of the items that I currently have. So if we add up the two, we get around $8,400 in realized profit plus unrealized profit. Now, my expenses are currently around $6,400. So if we take unrealized profit plus realized profit minus my expenses, I should make around $2,000. Now, that's a number, honestly, I'm pretty happy with, considering last month we made like $100, or rather this number was $100. $2,000, pretty good in my opinion. However, this number should have been $1,000 more. The whole Travis Scott thing, man. I'm over it. We're moving past that. As I mentioned, these are ballpark estimates. Towards the end of the episodes, however, I will populate the profit overview sheet, which will include more accurate information, but this is around what I expect it to be. Anyways, in a couple of days, we have Yeezy Day, and there's a lot of rumors going around, but I don't think anyone knows for sure. I was told that what actually ends up happening for Yeezy Day is really kept in the dark, even amongst like the employees of Adidas. So honestly, we're just gonna have to see what happens. Anyways, here is the more accurate information. Hopefully it's somewhere at least close to what I said. But anyways, Yeezy Day coming up next. I'll see you then.